Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Deb. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy tostadas. So here I have some shredded lettuce, some ground beef, shredded cheese, refried beans, some tostada shells, some black olives, and some tomatoes. I'm going to heat up my beans and brown my ground beef. Let's get started. Alright guys, I'm going to let my ground beef cook until it's nice and brown, no more pink. And my beans, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of milk. That way they won't be so dry. Alright guys, what I'm going to do with my beans, I'm going to put some shredded cheese in here. And I'm going to let that melt. My ground beef is about done. I'm going to strain it, take all the grease out. You guys, what I like to do is after I strain my ground beef, then I season my meat. Because if you season it before and then you strain it, basically you lose all that seasoning. So I just do it after. Garlic salt. Sorry guys, a lot of movement. I'm using one hand. Alright friends, I'm going to show you guys how to make a tostada. So I have my tostada shell here. Then I'm going to get my beans. And I'm going to put a layer of beans on top. Then I'm going to get some ground beef. Put that on top. You can put how much you want. Olives. Tomatoes. Lettuce. Some cheese. And I made a homemade salsa. I'll go ahead and put that on there. You can use tapatio or whatever you like. And I'm gonna pair this with some shells and cheese. And that, my friends, is a tostada. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you on the next video.